Hey loves, what's up going? What's good? What's popping? Welcome back to my channel and welcome if you're new. I'll be doing a get to know me tag and I think I should have done this video from I just started YouTube, but it's better late than never. I just wanted you guys to get the chance to know me better, so I went on the internet and gathered around 45 questions, so hopefully I'll get to go through all of them, and I think these are questions that will help you to know a little bit more of who I am and what I'm about. So let's get into it. So if you see me looking down, I'm just looking at my phone for the questions. So the first question is, what is your name? So my name is obviously not Aesthetic Nil, that's my channel name. My actual name is Chanel Palmer. Where did you grow up? I grew up in Jamaica, Clarendon, Jamaica to be specific. Where do you currently live? I currently live in Clarendon, Jamaica. How tall are you? I think I'm either 5'3" or 5'4". I'll just round up and say 5'4". I'll go with the bigger with the bigger number. So I think I am 5'4". Yeah. Dogs or cats? I mean, a couple years ago, I probably would have just said dogs off the bat because I did not like cats. But I genuinely love cats right now. So I'd say it's a tie. I don't know, I can't choose. I love dogs and I love cats. But I think recently I've been able to build more of a bond with my cats because they're always in my home and I'm always inside, so I get to bond with them a lot more than my dogs, which stay outside and not in the house. But I'd say they're a tie. I love them both. What year were you born? I was born in 1996, so I am 23 years old and I will be turning 24 in December. Oh my gosh, I can't believe I'm getting so old. Are you in or have you gone to college? I have gone to college. I graduated college 2 years ago. Right, so I graduated college in 2018 and I studied political science, minored in public policy and management, so basically government stuff. What is your favorite drink? My favorite drink would be apple juice. I love apple juice, but it's so expensive in Jamaica, so I don't get to indulge as much as I'd like, but my second favorite would be cherry. But I really love apple juice. It's so refreshing. Apple juice is the superior juice. You're wearing perfume. What scent is it? So I am currently wearing perfume right now, and the perfume I'm wearing is Victoria's Secret Bombshell Intense. But if I'm not wearing perfume, it has to be some Bath and Body Works. I love Bath and Body Works. Tea or coffee? Coffee, definitely. I think I prefer coffee a lot more than tea. Yeah, I really drink tea, so coffee has to be it. What sports do you play or have you played? I currently do not play any sports at all, but I have played basketball, not really on a team or anything. I was trying out for the team for like days, but I just got lazy, I guess, because the coach would want me to run around the courts and I was not having it, and the coach was giving me creepy vibes as well. So yeah, I quit after a while. And yeah, but basketball. And if chess counts as a sport, it's just a sport. I don't know, but it's a game. I played chess. I really love chess, but it's been a while. It's been a while since I've played. I think I tried playing tennis when I was in university just to be active, but again, I had to run around the court and I was not having it. This man was pushing me so hard and he wanted me to do so many laps before I even started playing the game. It's like the laps were more important. And I'm like, sir, I'm not trying out for the track team. I just want to play tennis, throw the ball, let me bat it. I mean, playing tennis is enough running up and down. I did not want to be running around that court. So I basically just couldn't manage people bossing me around courts and telling me to run. I was not having it. So after about 2 or 3 weeks, I quit. I was like, you know what? I'm not playing any tennis. No. So yeah, I didn't go back. So yeah, those are the sports that I've tried playing. The only one I was sort of successful in was chess. That's if chess counts as a sport. I don't know. What are some of your favorite movies? Ella Enchanted is my favorite movie of all time. I love fairy tales, so yeah, absolutely love that. And another Cinderella story starring my girl Selena Gomez. I love that movie. And I mean, it was kind of thinking back, like I watched it about 2 years ago, like I rewatched it, and it wasn't really the best movie, but the storyline is basically a Cinderella storyline. But yeah, I loved it. Is there any other movie that I really like? Oh, I loved Princess Diaries. I love The Prince and Me. Like when I was growing up, I used to watch all the fairy tale movies, or what do you call it? Palace movies? Movies talking about prince or princesses. I wanted to be a princess. I really love fairy tales and those sort of stuff. So yeah. Who are your favorite YouTubers? My favorite YouTubers, okay, my all-time favorite YouTuber right now is Sunday Love. Oh my gosh, that girl is so entertaining. You guys should definitely check her out. She does Japan vlogs, and yeah, Japan is just beautiful, but her personality, it just makes the videos much better. She is very inspirational because she always talks that she has a sickness or a disease, but she never says what the disease is. But just looking at this girl, if she doesn't tell you that she has a disease, you wouldn't know. She's always in high spirits, at least on camera. She's always pushing to make videos. She's just so inspirational. I love her so much. Another one of my favorite YouTubers as of recently is Kelly Stamps. Oh my gosh, I discovered her about 3-4 months ago. I'm ahead of the earth. I was there before she even got to 50k. I was there when she was making her 50k subscribers special. She's just so funny. She's hilarious. And I don't know, it's just effortless. She's effortlessly funny. It's not like she's forcing it. It's not like she's forcing it. But yeah, Kelly Stamps, I love her. Like anything she's doing, I'll just watch it. If Kelly Stamps has a video titled Picking My Boogers, I'm going to watch that because Kelly Stamps is funny. I love her. I just love her. And let me just try to go through my list and see if I can find anybody else that I like. I like J Mayo. She's a natural hair YouTuber. You might find this surprising or a bit ironic, but I really don't enjoy watching hair YouTubers. So J Mayo is definitely one of my favorite hair YouTubers. I really like her more than, yeah, let me just say I like her. And of course, I have my other favorite YouTubers are small YouTubers, which you should definitely check them out, and I leave them linked in the description. But I like Vanessa. She is the one who basically motivated me to do this video because of a video she did talking about how to start a YouTube channel. You guys should definitely check it out. She has a video all about how to start YouTube, and yeah, I like Vanessa. I really enjoy her content. And I also love Kim Dick's Diaries. Yeah, she does Japan based content and some sit down talks. She's awesome. Travel vlogs, awesome content. And Natural as Abby, she's my YouTube friend. I love her videos. So yeah, I could go on and on about all of my YouTube faves, but those are just a few of them. So let me get to the next question. Are you single or taken? I am not single. What is your idea of a dream date? A dream date? Let me just say what my favorite things are. My favorite things are the beach and food. Yes, so my dream dates would include those two things. A beach and some food. So maybe a picnic by the beach. I would be pretty happy with that. Like, that's contentment right there. That's joy right there. Beach and a picnic. Yeah. So yeah, my dream date would definitely be having a picnic by the beach. Pretty simple because I love the beach, and this would have to be one of the most beautiful beaches ever. So let me just add on to it because I don't want to sound like Miss Bare Minimum. Okay, a picnic by a beach in Hawaii. How about that? How about that? Sounds pretty luxurious to me. Okay, so how would you describe your fashion sense? I describe my fashion sense as modest, somewhat vintagey. Modest meaning I don't show too much skin, but not really modest as in a long frock or baggy clothes. But yeah, vintage. When I say vintage, I say more modest. I don't know. It's kind of a. I really don't know how to describe my fashion sense. It's girly, modest, puffy sleeves. I'm really into like puff sleeves right now, and I can't really describe it, but yeah, those those are what come to mind when I think about my fashion sense. How many siblings do you have? I have one sibling and he's a younger brother. He's like 5 years younger than me. What is your go-to fast food order? Where do I order the most? All right, my go-to fast food order for pizza, it would be Hawaiian pizza, which is ham and pineapple. If you don't eat pineapple on pizza, I'm disappointed. Like, that's the best thing. Pineapple is the best thing that's ever happened to pizza. Anyways, moving on, because I'm not going to argue with you about this. The the second thing that I'd order would probably be from KFC, and Jamaican KFC only, because I've tried foreign KFC. That's another story. But yeah, Jamaican KFC, I'd say my go-to order would be a Zinger Big Box, which would include fries, one piece of chicken, which would probably be a spicy breast, a zinger, a barbecue zinger sandwich, yeah, and a coleslaw. But I don't really like coleslaw, so I would switch us out with a biscuit. So yeah, that's my go-to fast food orders. Wow, I'm just at number 20, and look at me thinking I could have done 45 questions. This video would be entirely too long. So if you'd like a part 2 and I do the next 25, let me know in the comments section, or just hit the like button and I'll follow up. So yeah, this will be my last question, which is, what is your most memorable vacation memory? Most memorable vacation memory. I guess memorable already means it's a memory. But anyways, grammar aside, let me think. My most memorable vacation. Probably my first, but that's not a vacation though. That's not a vacation. I was going to say my first time on work and travel, but that was work. But it really felt like a vacation because I had this super easy job with this super nice employer. My boss was amazing. And yeah, we didn't really get to do much work because, I don't know, people weren't really coming to the little snack shop that we had. So yeah, people wouldn't really come there and buy a lot. We had a lot of free time, so it really felt like a vacation. And we had housing for free, and there was a pool, a jacuzzi. There was this little bouncy thingy that we could go and have playtime. I mean, that was pretty much a vacation. I remember always saying that, oh, I'm on vacation, I'm on a vacation. It really felt like a vacation. But yeah, does it count as a vacation if I was actually working? I'd say it does. I'd say it does. All the workers were really nice to us being J1 students or persons who were participating on the work and travel program, and they would bring us everywhere. They didn't want us to take Uber. They would bring us so we wouldn't have to spend our money. So our money basically went to whatever we wanted because we didn't have to pay bills. So yeah, that was my most memorable vacation. Although it wasn't really a vacation, it wasn't technically a vacation, but it felt like a vacation because I was having the time of my life. So guys, that's the end of this video. I really hope you enjoyed it, and I hope you got to know me a bit more. And before I go, I just want to say thank you to all my new subscribers. It means a lot. Thank you. I'm almost at 500 and I'm just happy. Like, 400 and odd persons like actually like my content, and I'm almost at 500 now. That's just amazing to me. If you like this video, please hit the like button as it helps with the YouTube algorithm. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.